Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring how you can create a self-hosted AI coding assistant with Refact.ai. Let's get into how to use your own GPU and turn it into an efficient AI coding assistant with Refact.ai self-hosted server. Security is a top priority when using AI products. Refact.ai is designed with security at its core. With Refact, your data remains off the web, meaning that your data stays private. Additionally, Refact's open source nature is a significant advantage. You can check the source code to understand and verify exactly what is it doing under the hood, providing an extra layer of transparency and trust. So now let's see how you can actually set up a self-hosted version of Refact.ai. It's really straightforward and you really need just one Docker command to complete the entire setup. Here's a quick breakdown of important parts of this command. The first flag is GPUs, and it specifies which GPU devices the container should use. The second one is SHM size, which allocates enough shared memory. And be aware that 256 is the value that is recommended by the moment of recording of this video, but at some point more memory might be needed. And the last V flag sets up persistent storage for your settings, downloaded LLMs, and LoRa's, which is the result of the fine-tuning. You can watch a video about that, the link is in the description down below. And as I said, this V flag specifies a persistent storage to store all of that information. In order to update to the latest Docker image version, follow these steps. The first step is to terminate the current container with docker kill command. The next step is to update the image using docker pull smallcloud/refact self-hosting, and the last step is to restart the container to apply the update. And there we have it. And here you can see my instance that I have after running the docker command. And as a final part, it's important to cover how you connect your Refact.ai instance with the plugin. All you need to do is to pick the self-hosted version in the list of the login options and put the localhost URL with the port we specified during the setup process. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We're always excited and happy to hear from you. But for now, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.